So I'm Karen Warren, and this painting here is called Limu Purit. It means dry water. So even though the water is underground, it's once you know how to find it and you get there, it's still very refreshing and life sustaining. So we've got two paths here, two ways of getting there, but we all walk the same path eventually. There's two fellas here, one over here, and one down there at the beginning of their journey through the bush. Halfway through our journey, sometimes things can get broken, but that's still alright. There's still refreshment there. And you've got these two fellas again, and sometimes they change positions. One helps the other helps him. So that's represented through that waterhole there. We keep going. We get to the end of our journey, and we still got these two fellas here, and one's me, and the other fella, we'll call him Frank. He's always refreshing every time you catch up with him. And then we part our ways back to our families. So this is it. This is the painting Limu Purit for Don Kyatt All Terrain Tamer products.